I haven't posted a video for a while, so let me record this little project. So my portable blower, my bigger one, I have this smaller one made by Stanley I use, but when I really need to move some air, like tomorrow when I'm going to be inside a cooling tower, I want a larger fan to blow some air on me. So the dog got to this and ate all the wires off the motor. So I'm putting in one of my spare ECM motors. And what I'm doing here is the 120 volts comes in and it goes directly to the motor all the time as soon as it's plugged in. And then the switch here will send 120 volts to this little 5 volt, you know, old cell phone charger or whatever this is. It's just going to put 5 volts to pins 1 and 3 and 9 and 15. 1 and 3 I think is positive and 9 and 15 is negative, and it's just going to send it on continuous fan mode 50%, which seems to be pretty good for this wheel. It blows a pretty good amount of air. So I'm gonna put the phone down and put this all into this little sardine can area there and screw it together, and then we'll give it a try. All right, got it plugged in, and that will send power to the low voltage and make it start. Now this wheel is out of balance a little bit from being used and abused, so I probably might need to get a new wheel. That's not too bad. It blows a pretty good amount of air. Anyway, there you have it. My glorified shop blower is resurrected with an ECM motor.